Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Moto G04 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set screen lock pattern password in your phone Moto G04. First of all, open settings in your phone. Open settings in your phone. Then go to security and privacy and here select device unlock and click on screen lock and select pattern. Draw the pattern that you want to set and click on next. Draw the same pattern to verify and click on confirm and your pattern will be now set. Here you can choose three options for lock screen: show all notifications content over lock screen, or show sensitive content only when unlocked, or if you don't want to show any notifications on lock screen, click on third one. I would like to select the first option and click on done. Finally, yes, screen lock is set now. Now lock your screen with this side button and try to unlock your phone. Draw your pattern now. Yes, pattern lock is working very well. In this way you can easily set screen lock pattern password in your phone Moto G04. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.